Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking up something truly indulgent. Egg butter masala. Creamy, rich and packed with flavors. Let's jump right into the recipe. First, into a pan add some oil. Into that add some ginger and garlic. Add some chopped onions and saute it until it becomes translucent. To make the process fast, you can add some salt. Also add some cashew nuts into it. Once the onion changes its color, add some chopped tomatoes. Saute it. Into that add some turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala and some cumin powder. Saute till the raw smell goes. Add some water and cook it well. Once the tomatoes and onion get nicely cooked, turn off the flame, allow it to cool down and transfer it into a blender and blend this to a fine paste. Into the same pan add some butter and melt it. Add some turmeric powder and chili powder and saute till the raw smell goes. And into that add some boiled eggs. Saute them in the butter for 2 to 3 minutes. Then take out the eggs. Now add some more butter. Into the same pan add coriander powder, garam masala. Saute it again till the raw smell goes. Now into that add the blended mixture. Add some water with it. Give it a mix and boil it. Once it starts to boil, add some fresh cream. Mix it. Check the salt and add more if needed. Now slowly add in the eggs. Mix it and boil it well. Finally add some kasuri methi and some kevra water. This will really give that restaurant style egg butter masala taste. Before serving, garnish it with some fresh cream and kasuri methi. Our yummy and tasty egg butter masala is ready. This curry is creamy, rich and bursting with flavors. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Until next time, happy cooking!